guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. This week we are making something that I have been making for dinners quite a lot recently, and I'm calling it the Green Goddess Bowl. It's super easy to make, but it's just all made up of things that are really good for you and are going to make you look and feel amazing. The thing that is really kind of the staple is the Green Goddess sauce. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make today, and then I'll also be showing you the type of bowl that I make with it. Also, if you aren't following me already on Twitter and Instagram, it is at itslivb if you guys want to come hang out there. But that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into the recipe. Start by adding some olive oil into a pan on medium heat and then adding 1 clove of minced garlic. Then after a few minutes of frying the garlic, you can add in the frozen green peas and coconut milk, as well as the dried basil and the salt. Lastly, you want to add in all of the spinach and give that a little stir so it starts to wilt, and finish it off with a squeeze of lemon juice. Then once the spinach is wilted, you can add it all to a blender, or you could even add it to a food processor. That works as well, and blend it until it is nice and smooth. So the way I love to serve this is I love to bake a sweet potato in the oven. So I just drizzle on a little bit of oil and then sprinkle on some salt and pepper and bake it in the oven until it's nice and soft on the inside. Here I am just using some brown rice, and I like to just boil a pot of water and add in the rice once it's boiling. Once it's cooked, I just drain it, and this is just my favorite way to cook brown rice because I find it cooks it perfectly every time. Lastly, I like to just add a little bit of oil into a frying pan and cook a veggie burger patty along with some vegetables like red peppers and green beans. Then I just serve that all in a bowl with the sweet potato and the brown rice and the chopped up veggie burger and veggies, and then I drizzle the sauce on top, add a little bit more pepper and maybe an extra squeeze of lemon, and that is the bowl. So the sauce is the coconut milk and the lemon together, and the salt make it almost have a little bit of a cheesy flavor, and then the basil is like kind of makes it almost taste a little bit pesto-y. Peas make it a little bit sweet. So I'm trying to explain why it's so good. It just has all the good flavors, I think, is why I really like it. What's also really cool is that there is a ton of spinach in here, and spinach is a source of iron, but also adding the lemon juice adds vitamin C, which helps your body absorb it better. So it's just really good for you, and also tastes freaking amazing. If you don't have veggie burgers, you don't have sweet potato or whatever, you can just make this with whatever you like. I just really love wholesome, healthy meals like this, because this week I have been testing and testing and testing brownie recipes because I'm back on the brownie train, and I found the best recipe, and it's gonna be in a video soon, but I had so many batches of brownies, so I feel like just, you know, balancing it out with a super healthy and delicious dinner is like exactly what my body needs and wants. So I wish you guys could taste it through the screen. Wish I could give you a bite. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make this Green Goddess bowl, or if you make the sauce and put it on something else, I really would love if you guys tagged me on either Instagram or Twitter. I am at itslivb, and show me a picture of what you made. Let me know how you liked it. As always, if you haven't already, be sure you are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.